Morning, my dear children. Welcome back. Let me first congratulate each one of you for your outstanding performance in the revision test. You all have done well. And thank you so much for sending such lovely messages and wonderful videos on the Teacher's Day. From today, we will begin with our online classes. So is everyone ready? Children, when you misplace your favorite toy or anything for that matter which is important for you, how do you feel? You become restless, you start searching for it, you ask somebody in the house, have they seen it? Did they keep it somewhere? And then too, if you don't find it, then you get a big question mark in your mind. Where is it? How did it disappear? Today, in English, we will begin with a chapter which has such mysteries, and all these mysteries are unsolved till today. Children, in your lower classes, you have studied about the oceans and seas. Look at the map and can you name the oceans in the world? The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is also called the Antarctic Ocean. Children, many of you must have visited Mumbai for the beaches like the Chapati, Juhu Beach. Which sea do we have there? The Arabian Sea. Many seas join together and form an ocean. Like this, in this chapter, we are going to talk about the Atlantic Ocean. And which seas do we have here? The Sargasso Sea and the Caribbean Sea. The Sargasso Sea is the only sea which do not have any land boundary. Usually, seas are having land boundaries, but the Sargasso Sea does not have any land boundary and it is entirely in the Atlantic Ocean. The Caribbean Sea is adjacent to the Atlantic Ocean. And which country do we have near these seas? America. In this chapter, we are going to study about an area which lies in the Atlantic Ocean and which is called as a dangerous area or the devil's area. There is some magic in this area. There is a spot in the Atlantic Ocean which lies to the east of the United States. Many strange incidents have been taken place for years. Planes have been disappeared from the radar screens. Many ships are found without any crew. You know what's a radar, children? Radar stands for Radio Detecting and Ranging Device. It is an instrument which is used to detect where the planes and ships are, in which direction they are moving. You get to know the exact position of the crafts of the ships by the radar. And crew means people who work on the ships and on the crafts. And children, there is one thing common in all these incidents. That is, these mysteries are unsolved till today. This area of danger began to be known by names like the Devil's Triangle, Hoodoo Sea. Hoodoo means something which brings bad luck, evil. So people started calling it names. In the year 1964, a journalist named Vincent Gaddis called it as the Bermuda Triangle. and this name was used by another writer, Charles Berlitz, in his book. He too called it as the Bermuda Triangle, and his book was a bestseller. Bestseller means that book was bought by many people. And why is it called a triangle, children? Because this area makes a triangle. On the map, this area is roughly stretched from Miami to Puerto Rico to Bermuda and back to Miami. Miami is a place which is located to the southeastern region of the United States. Bermuda is an island in the Atlantic Ocean. Puerto Rico is an island in the Caribbean Sea. So see children, this area makes a triangle. Therefore, it is called as the Bermuda Triangle. But people named it as Devil's Triangle or Hoodoo Sea. Hoodoo means something magical, evil, which brings bad luck. Children, this power is not only felt in this area but even at its boundaries. Many aircrafts and ships have been disappeared in this area, and people who have survived share their experiences. Many pilots have recorded their messages. They say that all of a sudden in this area the compasses do not work. You know what's a compass, children? Compass is an instrument used to show direction to the crafts, to the ships. So people say that that compass doesn't work in this area. All of a sudden the sea gets covered with a fog. They see a UFO. So all these things we come to know through these recordings. Children, in this chapter, we'll be discussing a few incidents that took place in the Bermuda Triangle. Look at this picture and can you tell me what is it? It's a UFO. UFO means unidentified flying object. U stands for unidentified, F stands for flying, O stands for object. In which movie did we see a UFO? Abdullah, Bian, Samruddhi, do you remember? Yes, in Koi Mil Gaya. Children, in the year 1980, there were two pilots, pilot Joe Santos and pilot Joe Torres. Both of them were flying to Puerto Rico, and on their way they saw a UFO. They recorded their message saying that they have seen a UFO, but after that message no one heard or nobody have seen them, and many such incidents took place. Even Captain Don Henry saw something very unusual, and after that incident even he was not seen or heard. Many mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle remained unsolved till today. One morning in January 1948, a BSAA. BSAA stands for British South American Airways. Like how in India we have Indian Airlines, Indigo Airlines. So Star Tiger and Star Ariel are the British airliners. In January 1948, Star Tiger was about to reach Bermuda. It was less than 2 hours away from its destination. Destination means the place where it was supposed to land. The pilot recorded the message saying that it is just less than 2 hours away from Bermuda. After that recording, the flight disappeared. Another such incident happened a year later, that is on 17th of January 1949. Star Ariel took off from Bermuda and it was supposed to land in Jamaica, but it got disappeared somewhere here. Nobody knows how and where it got disappeared. Another year earlier, a DC-3 airliner had landed on the Miami International Airport. It was carrying 31 passengers and crew. The pilot recorded the message saying that it is just 80 kilometers away from its destination. The area where it got disappeared had shallow seas and the wreckage was also not found. Wreckage means the parts of aircrafts or ships, the broken parts are called as wreckages. So those wreckages were also not found. So people do not have answers to these incidents. So therefore it is called as a haunted area or the devil's triangle. It is also called a hoodoo sea. Children, we shall stop our lesson here. In the next video, we shall discuss a few more incidents which took place in this area. Till then, I want you all to read this chapter. Chapter number 3, the Bermuda Triangle. Page number 26, 27 and 28. If you have any doubts, you make a note of it and in the next Zoom meeting, we shall discuss those points. But you have to read this lesson. On the left side of your lesson, you will get the meanings of all unfamiliar words. Go through those meanings too. Alright children? Till then, you all take care. Bye.